Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome to today's backtesting session. In this series I will be backtesting every day from January 2022. I don't think I will post every video every week because I plan to do 1 week of data every week, and I want to record it and post maybe some of them, but I don't know if I will post all of them. I did one week already yesterday, but I didn't record it. But yeah, we will do one today, and yeah, we'll just get into it. So we are starting on January 10th, and I'll just do a top-down analysis. Clearly we are bearish based on the higher time frame. Maybe we will go to this weekly unfilled gap, and yeah, for shorts I could see price coming up here and maybe from there a continuation lower. This would be my ideal scenario. Other than that, I don't see anything that clear. Yeah, we just left equalize and took out our draw. So I think we could go down here and here, but we tapped into this weekly gap, so we really have to be careful. And we took out this low on ES. So I wouldn't be shocked if we see long opportunities now. Yeah, we're just creating equal highs everywhere. Yeah, I really don't see anything. Maybe a continuation if we tap into this high, but I really think that we're just going to flush down to whatever low, I don't know. Yeah, so that's a no trade day, because I can't find a trade in this price leg. It didn't give me any entries. If we would have swept out this high, then maybe I would have yeah, there's not even a inversion, but yep, let's just go to the next step. And okay, we got some reaction from this weekly low, as I said, and maybe we're going to be bullish, but let's look at the other time frames. Same thing on ES, we also reacted from this daily low. Okay, we took out this low and didn't react from it yet, but I could see a resweep of this low and maybe an inversion to the upside then. Okay, looks good. Okay, so we got the inversion to the upside. I think that's a really good trade to take. I'll just put my stop loss here and I'll just go for a one to where it doesn't make sense to put my stop. Okay, I'll just put it right here. My break even is on this last swing high. Okay, we break even already. Okay, and that's a break even trade. Okay, maybe a resweep again. I don't know if we just want to continue being bearish now, or if we want to react from this order block here, right? From this order block. Yeah, we'll see. think it looks good, the instant reaction. Okay, we have a 4-minute gap here. And yeah, we invested, so I will be taking this trade as well. Until here. No, that's not even a one-to-one. Until here. And same thing, very early break even because of, wait, I can show you, because of this internal high right here. Price really likes to react from these type of highs, and that's very close to our stop loss, but we're going break even already. Okay, yeah, that looks good. I really don't want to take profit early, but I think if we just go for a one-to-one, it'll be way better. Just a way better start. And yeah, I don't need the big RR trades. I think that's good enough right here. We'll see. Okay, and I think it's a perfect decision for me that I just went for a one-to-one and not a very big trade. So yeah, good start into the week, and we go to the next day. Okay, so I see us still reacting from this weekly imbalance, and we're just continuing being bullish right now, so there's no reason at all to go short. So that's what I will be doing. I will look for longs, and we're still currently in this gap right here, so maybe we see some sort of reaction from there, and we actually do, but I really don't like this trade, to be honest. Yeah, we also have this 5-minute inversion, 5-minute gap, so okay, we got a resweep now. That's what I really like to see again, just like last trade. Okay, that's a pretty deep retracement, but it's fine because we completely filled this imbalance, and we're seeing oh my god, we are seeing reaction from there. Now what I just want to see is this 2-minute inversion, and yeah, we actually get it right here. I think that's a really good trade to take, because we're clearly very bullish, and there's no reason to not take this trade. So even if I lose, I will not regret it. I'll go break even at the swing high, and yeah. Okay, we are going break even there, and also break even trade. Could have gone for a one-to-one again, but I was pretty confident in the higher risk to reward ratio right there, so we'll see if we find a re-entry, but I don't really think so. Yeah, no, there's no reason to find another trade here, so we'll just go to Thursday. still looks pretty bullish. Just got the okay, that's pretty bad price action. So we'll really have to be careful on what trades we take, because most of my losses are on price action like this. So yeah, we'll see what happens if we maybe get a retracement into this high, this low, or this low. No, I mean this low. I'm sorry. Okay, let's look. That close is very good. Again, not the safest trade because of price action, but yeah. Since this trade is very early into this session, I will be going for a one-to-one again. But yeah, yeah, I think that's a pretty good trade to take. Why is it not working? Okay, let's see. Okay, fast trade. Also very good. Going for the one-to-one here would have been break even if I went for a bigger trade. Yeah. Good. Let's go to the next day, last day of the week, and then I'll be probably posting the next video tomorrow. And yeah, now it looks pretty bearish, since we are reacting from this sell side imbalance, and yeah, we're just disrespecting every bullish imbalance, and no, we're disrespecting, I'm sorry, and we're respecting the bearish ones. So what I want to see is a retracement into this gap where we are right now, and maybe a sweep of this high on ES, and maybe a inversion from there to the downside. Okay, we swept it on ES now. Okay, we are looking pretty bullish up to this high. So I probably think that we will go either from a we will either take a long to this high or a short from this high, and yeah, we'll just see what presents itself. Okay, we took out this high, and if we get the inversion, I'm willing to take a small trade. And yeah, okay, we took out this high, and that's a pretty risky one because why is it not loading? Because we are taking the first inversion that presents itself after sweeping out this high. Oftentimes we like to come back up and sweep it again, but I think I will take it since the break-even point is very clear. I'll go break-even at this unfilled 5-minute gap, and I will go for a 1 to 1.88 trade. So okay, yeah, so as I said, we got the resweep, and we'll take this trade right here. Right, if we get the close. Okay, that's unfortunate, because we tapped into this 50-minute gap before even giving me the trade opportunity. So we could see a continuation to the downside, but it doesn't look that clear. Yeah, we got the resweep of this high, and yeah, I think 30-second inversion. we close below here, I'm willing to take another trade. Yeah, okay, I think that's a solid trade to take as well. I'll go for a bigger trade right here. Okay, so I'll go break even here. Okay, so on ES we actually tapped into this 5-minute gap right here, and I don't want to risk losing the money I made, so I'll close the position here, even though it could run down there. I'll just skip forward and see. Yeah, okay, good. Okay, this would have been very close to our break even, but other than that, I'm still pretty happy, even though we could have made more. But I'll just look at the statistics of the week. Oh, my cam died. I'm sorry for that. So yeah, we got 3 winning trades and 1 loss and 1 break even. So I think that's a pretty good quote. We made 2.5% around that in a week. I think that's pretty good. And wait, let me fix my cam. Sorry for my cam being frozen, but I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow, maybe when I get a good week, or maybe I'll just post the bad weeks as well. But you guys have to understand, posting the bad weeks just, I don't know. Why should I? I could be transparent, but no one really wants to see it, to be honest. So I'll figure it out. But see you guys maybe tomorrow, and have a good one.